Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video it's full of laundry motivation. We're gonna do a 2-day laundry and folding clothes. So if you need some cleaning laundry motivation, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, give this a thumbs up, and let's get started.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Today's laundry motivation, it's slightly different than the ones that I've been sharing. The kids are on vacation. They're actually on fall vacation. Today is their last day. And we focused on them giving a deep clean onto their rooms. So I decided to help them on doing their laundry. They did wash their clothing days before I started doing laundry, but they didn't finish. They end up with extra clothing, and my goal is to literally clean my laundry. And in this video, I will not be sharing any of the cleaning part of the laundry room. I'm only going to share the laundry process. We're also going to be folding all of the clothing. And for the cleaning of the laundry room, that's going to be in a different day. Right now, I'm focusing on getting all the extra clothes from their rooms. You can see that their rooms are really dirty. They really do need attention, but they're going to be doing that. And I did wanted to record some of that part, but since they are getting a little bit older, they don't feel comfortable me recording them. They don't have any problems when they do help me and they come out like on the videos, but for them recording themselves and sharing with you some motivation, they're just not comfortable. So they are going to be doing their rooms, cleaning all like like the all deep clean, but obviously they're not going to do it 100%. They try really hard to clean it as much as they can, and they're always asking me what purpose cleaners they need to use for their windows, for their mirrors, and all of that stuff. I will be separating some of the clothes, and later on in the video you will be seeing more extra clothes, but that's because they kept on getting out clothing for whenever they took a shower, and so we end up with more clothing. This took me 2 days because I wasn't giving all of my energy just on the laundry. I was also doing other cleaning around the house, and that is pretty much the case every time I am doing laundry. Even though it's like a long process of laundry, I try to multitask, and while one load is in, I can do other stuff around the house. I did also started washing all of my bedding, and you will see that I didn't make my bed on this day. We actually end up using other blankets because the covers were done, but the comforter wasn't clean yet, and I just didn't want to make my bed until the following day, and so I ended up using other blankets. But you will see later, I will be sharing with you when I do make my bed. One of the things that I try not to do when I'm doing laundry, it's to leave the clothing on the washer, because then I'll forget. And even though this was a 2-day laundry, sometimes in the morning I tend to forget that I'm still doing laundry, and because I do close the door, I don't want to have that door open. Even though I do love to do laundry, when I see my laundry room really dirty, it discouraged me to continue with the laundry. This laundry motivation, you're not going to see any ironing, and even though the bedding was a little wrinkled, one of the things that I was looking for when I bought my comforter and my bedding sheets, it was that I want them to be wrinkle free. It says that they're wrinkle free, and you're going to see it that they're really wrinkled, but then when I did the bed, all of the wrinkles just disappear. Another thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be folding clothes. Even though most of the clothes goes on hangers, I was feeling really comfortable this date, and I just needed a little bit of a calming time, and plus the weather was really nice, so I needed to do some folding. That's one of the things that it relaxes me, even though, like I said, I know that the kids are gonna end up hanging most of their clothes, but I just wanted to take some time off and start folding the clothes. That's kind of like my free time, pretty much. I do put something on the phone while I do that. This is the following date. I try to wash yesterday as much as I was able to, and I end up putting everything right here. I have to fold today. I have more clothes in the dryer. We have more work clothes from my husband, those blankets, and then the kids try to help me sort out the clothing. They did sort of a good job, but now I have to put more clothes to wash, and then we sort out the clothes out here, but they started bringing out clothes from like whenever they took a shower, so now I have to put more clothes to wash. There's more white towels, white clothing. You guys can see that it doesn't even look sorted out, but semi. So we're gonna put the colored clothes to wash, and we're just gonna continue with the laundry day. And now we're continuing with more laundry. You can see that I had all of the clothing in the countertops, and that's one of the reasons why we're going to be making the bed before folding the clothing, because usually when I do the laundry, I attempt to fold the clothes right away at the countertop in the laundry room. But because the following day I was actually cleaning the bathrooms and doing other stuff around, sometimes the kids will help me take out the clothes from the dryer and they will just put it on the countertop. And plus, it is extremely wrinkled, and another thing that it helped the wrinkles go away, it's whenever I fold the clothes. So that's why I will be folding the clothes. This day was actually really productive because I was actually decorating for Halloween. So if you're not part of the family, subscribe so you can become part of all of those decorating ideas for Halloween, and also turn on your bell so you can be notified, because I still don't have a set day of when I do share the videos. Right now at this moment, I'm trying to figure out when are the days that are best for me to share with you, because if you're new here, I have 3 channels. I have a Spanish one and also a family channel, so sometimes it gets a little bit hard for me to share them all at once, or just trying to figure out a schedule that works better for me and just my lifestyle. But yeah, we are decorating for Halloween already, and I'm just super excited to share all of those ideas. I really love to decorate for Halloween. Even though I'm a scary cat, I don't like scary movies. I don't like anything that would like literally, like, I don't like the dark. But I love to decorate. Like, is that just me, or some of you guys are the same? Let me know down in the comments. Also, comment down below if you do decorate for Halloween. If you don't, that's totally completely fine. I know that a lot of people don't celebrate none of that, but if you do, let me know down in the comments.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on?
And now it is time to make our bed. Now everything is clean. The only item that it's actually going to be at the end, it's the comforter. We're going to be washing that at the end, but I will be putting all of this bedding sheets, and you can see that they were extremely wrinkled at the beginning, but when I pulled the fitted sheet, all the wrinkles literally disappear. And even though I do love to iron, at this moment I really didn't have the time to iron, and that's why I end up not ironing. But usually when I get new blankets or comforters or fitted sheets for my bed or any bedding, even curtains, I tend to iron them like before I hang them or before I use them. But for the most part, after the second wash, I don't iron them, only if I know that they are extremely wrinkled. Like this one, at the beginning, I was just hoping for all the wrinkles to disappear, because otherwise I would have just ironed them. But you can see that all the wrinkles are literally gone. So advertisement that it had on the packaging, it was real. These are wrinkle free. Now let's make this video interesting and let's make a poll. I do use a lot of pillows. I not only love them to decorate the bed and so that the bed can look more presentable, but I also do sleep with a lot of pillows. Like, I don't use them on my head. I literally always put like a border on the edge of my bed with a lot of pillows, and sometimes I don't even use the blankets. I end up using my pillows. Do you guys do the same, or you don't use any pillows? My husband, on the other hand, it's completely different, because the long pillow that I had in here, it's the only one that he will use. He doesn't like any pillows or any bigger items on his head whenever he's sleeping. But for me, I need all of those pillows.
Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine, the planet's totally alive. I'm pretty. I'm ready.
If you're still here with me and you haven't liked this video, like it please. It's going to help me a lot and I will really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you can be part of this community, because it's really growing, and I'm just so thankful that you are here with me, that you're taking a little bit of your time to spend it with me. Comment down below, what are you doing along my side, if you are actually doing some laundry, or maybe you're just tackling another areas in your house that need your attention.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free.
I did recently switched all of my containers where I put my laundry detergent, and it is working properly and very well, but somehow the kids tend to get lazy to fill out the containers, just the same way that they are with switching the paper rolls. Like, is that a guy thing? I live in a house with 5 guys. I'm the only girl at the house, and sometimes refilling stuff, putting trash bags, and refilling the containers for the laundry detergent is just impossible. And that's why they are all empty. But I actually started using the one that it is almost empty. I went grocery shopping and I end up getting new detergent, and that it's going to be in a future video whenever I share with you the cleaning process of my laundry room. And it is actually working properly with the new glass containers. I used to have the bigger ones, and somehow the kids would always drip, and even sometimes myself as well, would drip some of the laundry detergent in the countertop, and it started to stain the counter. I think I need to restain it or maybe paint it in a different color, because I just can't take those stains out. I've used the magic erasers. I've used the really hard and good all-purpose cleaners, and it's just not working at all. So I'll probably just going to have to restain it. But for now, that's just gonna stay the way it is. It really doesn't bother me as long as they are clean. Some of the stains can be covered whenever I put like the glass containers on top, and it's just working very well for me, at least. And again, I will be cleaning this laundry in a future video, and if you want that cleaning motivation, let me know down in the comments if you want me to combine it with maybe another longer video, or maybe just a laundry deep clean motivation.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory.
And as you can tell, the dryer is still working. I am drying the blanket, the white blanket that I have for my bed. This time I decided to fold all the clothes. Most of the clothes go hang on the closet. Some of the shorts are the only ones that goes on their drawers. And what I did this time, I separated the clothing by section from the youngest to the oldest. And then those are the extra socks that we have. I still have to wash my husband's work socks and shirts. And then mine, I didn't fold it because I'm gonna hang it right now. That was folded from a couple of days already that my husband actually washed those. And so I need to hang those, but that's good though, because now I know that they are not wrinkled like this ones. But for the most part, everything is hanged. I was in a good mood to fold clothes, and plus the weather, it's beautiful outside. So I hope I was able to give you guys a lot of motivation, inspiration to fold your own clothes or do your laundry. If it was like that, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for being here. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe so you can become part of the family. And this community keeps growing and growing like it has been for the past weeks. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna